Okay, I'm just considering the trailer. Okay, so I'm just considering the trailer. So if you just consider the trailer, we haven't got an engine. Okay, the driving force is a tension. So the tension is equivalent to the engine. So the work done by the tension is bringing about this increase in kinetic energy. So work done by tension equals the increase in mechanical energy, that's Ke minus Pe, plus the work done against resistance. Okay, increase in mechanical energy, that's kinetic energy, take away potential energy, it's going downhill, and that comes to 37844.257. Work done against resistance, that's the force, force times distance, 100 times 200. So there, that all comes to, work done by tension comes to 57844.257. So that's the work done by the tension. Okay. Well, work done by tension is the force due to tension, which is the tension. Okay, so work done by tension is force, tension, times distance, 200. So there you go. So the tension comes to 289. So you can do it. Okay, I don't know which way you think's better. Okay, just let me know what you think. Hope that's okay. Hope everything's going okay. I'm staying up, so do ask me any more questions if you want to.